Maharashtra's rugged plateau houses numerous cave temples that are reminiscent of the ancient past and rich heritage of the land. Located about 9 nautical miles away from the gateway of India, just across the Mumbai Harbour, are the Elephanta Caves. Built as an ode to Lord Shiva, these caves are a marvel of 6th century AD. The island of Elephanta was named so by the Portuguese on the sighting of an elephant statue near the landing area of this island. Inside Elephanta, 4 entrances to the huge Shivalinga are flanked by 4 large guardian figures or Dwarpalas. The west and the north entrances to the Elephanta mark the axis of the temple, which is lined with a 20-pillared hall. Through numerous corridors and chambers, visitors can admire awe-inspiring sculptures on the walls. On the southern wall are various manifestations of Lord Shiva sculpted in the images of Kalyana Sundara, Shiva as the gentle loving god, Gangadhara, Shiva holding the river Ganga in his locks, Ardhanarishwara, Shiva and Shakti representing desire and satisfaction, and Uma Maheshwara, the husband of Parvati. To the west of the northern entrance are sculpted images of Nataraja, Shiva as the cosmic dancer, and Andhaka Survadamurti, Shiva impaling the demon of darkness. And to its east are images of Yogishwara, Shiva as the supreme yogi, and Ravananugrahamurti, Shiva crushing Ravan with his toe. The colossal 20 feet high sculpture of the 3-headed Shiva, known as the Mahesh Murti, depicts Shiva's 3 attitudes in the forms of the creator, the protector and the destroyer, and is considered a masterpiece of Indian rock art. Besides being an epitome of supreme devotion to Lord Shiva, the Mahesh Murti also depicts the sculptor's love for his art and the medium he worked upon. Elephanta is classified as a World Heritage Site. The Elephanta Caves can be reached by regular cruises that leave from the Gateway of India throughout the year. Except during the monsoon season. The months of November through March are the most ideal to visit the Elephanta Caves, as it is the most pleasant time in and around Mumbai, the commercial capital of India, and a megapolis created in history's own reflection.